So the first thing that we are going to do in this course is to set up our data source. For this particular course we will be using our local host, where we will be hosting our own website with the data that we need to complete this course. We are going to use a local data source due to the fact that most sites are restricted by copyright, and we do not know whether we can use a given data source or not. So I will not be telling you in a course like this how to crawl a given site where we might violate some copyright. So in order to ensure that none of us is doing anything illegal, we will be using a local site with our own made up data. You will of course be able to do and use the miner and crawler learned in this course on online sites as well, but that is on your own risk, and you have to be careful what sites you are crawling. So in order to get started, download the website folder in this course material, and then in the next lecture we will be setting up our local host.